This is Bosch GMS 120 wall scanner. So basically it can scan the wood, the metal and the electricity. To use it is very easy. This is the button to power it up, and this is the light. So basically the LED, it will show if you're in dark environment, it will show the lights. And we can turn that off, and this is the sound. Usually it got a sound, but if you push the button, there's no sound at all. So if you want to detect wood, just push the button. If the metal, just push this button. And of course, if you want to test the electricity, I did a test before to check that how it works. And I cut up the drywall to show exactly what's behind. And use 3 different wall scanners. And I find out the Bosch, this model, is most reliable. I think a lot of people have the misunderstanding of that, thinking that this thing is not working or just not correct. Before I do my testing, I also think that this thing is slow, kind of like hesitant, It's just a little bit slower, and maybe you need to scan the same spot for 2 times. And when you're moving, you cannot go fast. You have to go make it ready. Now it's green, it's ready, and you gotta go slow, very slow, and find the spots and maybe go over again. You always find the right stuff using this wall scanner. That's what I found. For the other wall scanners, the result is super fast, or it just shows you the result, but it's not accurate. But for this one, I find out every time it's accurate, even though it's a little bit slower. So I think that is not a big problem as long as I gave the right answer. Even though this wall scanner have been in the market for so many years, but it's still very reliable. I highly recommend this product. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.